Hello, Dojo members, and welcome back to your training. Are you ready for a delicious lesson?
Hello, everyone. Today, our training session takes place in a very useful location, the Café.
That's right. Today you will master how to order coffee and your favorite cake in English. Let's do this. Okay, Sensei, I am at the cafe. I see the menu. So many choices. I am a little nervous.
Relax, Ryo. This is a simple mission. First, decide what you want to drink.
Right. Okay. I see latte. I would like a latte. Yes. Let me try. Hello. Can I have a latte, please?
Perfect. Simple and polite. I think I would like a cup of green tea. Now, what about some food? That red velvet cake looks great.
It does, but the cheesecake also looks good. I can't decide. Sensei, what do you recommend?
An excellent question to ask. I recommend the cheesecake. It's their specialty.
Okay, I trust you, Sensei. I will order for both of us. Excuse me, can I have one latte, one green tea, and a piece of the cheesecake, please?
Excellent. Now, imagine the barista asks you this common question: for here or to go?
For here or to go? Ah, that means do we eat it here or do we go away with it?
Exactly. And our answer is?
For here, please. I want to enjoy this cheesecake training. Wow, that was delicious. Training is fun. Okay, we are ready to leave. What is the final step, Sensei?
You must ask to pay. You need to ask for the bill.
I can do this. Excuse me, can I get the bill, please?
Mission complete, Ryo. You have successfully ordered and paid. Great job. Excellent work, Ryo. Now let's enter the Sensei corner to analyze the key phrases you used. Key phrase number 1. I would like or can I have? Both are very polite ways to order. I would like is often shortened to I'd like. You can use them for anything. For example, I would like a table for 2. Or, can I have the menu, please? Key phrase number 2. What do you recommend? This is a powerful phrase when you are not sure what to order. You are asking for a suggestion. For example, in a new restaurant, you can tell the waiter, I have never been here before. What do you recommend? Key phrase number 3. For here or to go? This is a question you will hear from the staff. For here means you will stay. To go means you will take it with you. If they ask, you can simply answer, for here, please. Key phrase number 4. A piece of. We use this for a single portion of a larger food item, like cake, pie, or even pizza. For example, I'm not very hungry. I will just have a piece of apple pie. And our final phrase, number 5, can I get the bill, please? This is the most common and polite way to say you are finished and want to pay. It's a full sentence and very clear.
All right, everyone, it's time to practice. Repeat after Sarah Sensei to perfect your pronunciation. I will practice with you.
Ready? Let's begin. I would like a latte.
I would like a latte.
What do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
A piece of cheesecake.
A piece of cheesecake.
Can I get the bill, please?
Can I get the bill, please?
Excellent work. You sound great.
You have completed your training session. Fantastic work. Let's quickly review the key phrases we mastered today. We learned to order with I would like and can I have. We learned to ask for suggestions with what do you recommend. We learned to order a portion with a piece of. And we learned to pay using can I get the bill please.
You all did wonderfully. Thank you for training with us today. Now, it is time for your final mission. Your mission is this. Go to the comments section and tell us what you want to order at the English Dojo Café. Write your complete order. For example, hello, I would like a hot chocolate and a piece of carrot cake. We will read every comment.
Yes, show us your skills. And if you want to become a master, join the dojo by hitting that subscribe button and be sure to ring the training bell so you never miss a lesson.
Until next time, keep practicing.
See you in the next session. Bye-bye.